Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel Submagic subscription. And once you're here on your dashboard, you want to go over to the top left corner. We're going to click on it because it's a drop down, and then we'll be clicking on account settings. Now under account settings, you're going to scroll to the section My Plan. So right here you're going to see change plan, renew now, and manage subscription. Go ahead and click on manage subscription and you'll see three options. Among the options, of course, you want to click on cancel subscription. And once you click on it, you'll need to follow the steps shown in order to continue with your cancellation. This step will stop your subscription or any auto-renewal options set previously. Submagic might present you with an option to pause your subscription if that's what you want, and you could set this for a month or more. But if you don't want to pause your subscription, you could go ahead and click on decline offer and complete the process of canceling your Submagic subscription. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.